Hello everyone, this is Deerfox and welcome back. As you saw in the previous clip, I am today drawing my friend's character. Shout out to them for letting me do so. Information is in the description. I won't be talking much in this video. I might pop in every once in a while to give a little bit of context to what I'm doing. You can hear Tara in the background, that fluffy little rat. But other than that, it's just gonna be art and maybe some music. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, I'm just kind of experimenting with some different headshots, body shots, figuring out exactly what I want for the character. And now you can see I tried something different, maybe decided it might look cool as a full bird, but I didn't really like it, so I kind of pushed it to the side, and you'll see more of that come in later. Here is when I really started looking for the right bird to base her markings off of, and I decided on what I believe is called a crested hawk eagle, which I thought were very pretty and fitted the character well. Starting to draw some armor shots, as this character was a warrior or a warrior in training. I thought that it would be funny if her helmet was shaped like the hoods that they put on like tamed birds or sport birds, I guess. So that was a funny little illusion that I thought I would throw in there. I really liked this sketch, so I decided to go over it with a more defined sketch layer and then use some watery color to kind of define it and get a rough color palette going. You may have noticed the kind of darker outline I put around her eye and the gray spot I put on her nose just now, and that was when I started messing around with facial markings from the bird that I chose. Here, there are other creatures in the world other than the character and species that I'm drawing mainly in today's video, so I thought I would mess around with them a little bit, but they didn't quite match my vision. They were too animalistic. They weren't that kind of happy medium that I was going for, so I decided to lay them aside and work more on the other characters. Here is where I really started messing around with the facial markings and really trying to match them to the bird. I gave her a bit sulkier of an expression, I would guess, in this one. I really liked the idea, but it definitely needed some refining. The pupils look a bit awkward in this shot, and it's kind of a weird balance that I had to find against the pupils and the outline. I drew another one of these faces to further figure out where I wanted the markings to go and how dramatic I wanted them. here is where I started work on a few other characters that she had, and also where I came back to that full bird head idea. I wanted to try it in a different type. I wanted to put it on a different kind of person with a different kind of bird. I really leaned into a bald eagle or a golden eagle on this one, and I like how it turned out, but once again it was heading back towards that almost too animal aspect of it, and I knew that my friend was looking for more human-y. This is a secondary character coming in that I'm drawing. I gave him kingfisher wings because they are not all birds of prey in this universe, and I thought the kingfisher wings, specifically the great kingfisher, looked very fitting. And thank you for watching. Thank you to my friend for letting me draw her character. If you would like more information on the character, there is information in the description. If you want to listen to the music I played in today's video, the links to the artist and credit to the artist are in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking. If you really enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. This has been Deerfox. Bye!